Alright, I'm going to be upgrading the RAM today. This PC came with one single stick of 16 gig RAM, and I'm going to upgrade to a 64 gig kit. So I need to remove this stick because I want to try to get it to run in dual channel. Attaboy. There we go. Our DIMMs are labeled A1, A2, B1, and B2. And I think because this is so close to this fan, I'm going to try and get it into B1, excuse me, A2 and B2. And once you get the RAM lined up with the DIMM slot, just press it in. Put a little pressure until it goes in, and the little latch should snap into place. That sounded pretty good. Alright, and we should be locked in. There we go.